Revolutionize your plantation with Slopehelper, the fully robotic system designed to simplify the entire agrocycle like never before. Unlock a seamless year-round agrocycle with the Slopehelper agro system, equipped with every attachment necessary for any agricultural operation. As the planet's first integrated solution for a plantation's yearly agrocycle, Slopehelper offers comprehensive support throughout the entire cycle from a single source. The agro system is a combination of a base platform, attachments, and information technology in the form of an application that provides feedback from the field. Simply place the machine in a passage, input the row numbers on the left and right, specify the number of rows to be processed, and set the attachment operation parameters on the onboard computer. Then, hit the start button and stay updated on the operation progress via your smartphone. Operating independently of GNSS, Slopehelper uses satellite data solely to inform the operator of its location via the Tero Air application. Its onboard AI navigates using sensors such as the inertial measurement unit, an ultra-high-frequency mechanically pivoting radiolocator, and a specialized tree touch sensor. Unlike traditional systems, Slopehelper does not rely on lidar or satellite navigation for movement. Its sensors are unaffected by dust or rain, enabling seamless autonomy in valleys and under tree canopies, even when satellite signals are weak or weather conditions are challenging. Once activated, all operational information, including real-time video streaming, is transmitted to your smartphone via the Tero Air application. In addition to live control, the app archives the machine's operational history, including data on environmental and photosynthesis parameters recorded by the onboard weather station. Transporting Slopehelper and its attachments to the field is effortless, requiring only a B-category car and an affordable trailer. Capable of operating on slopes up to 42 degrees for up to 14 hours a day, Slopehelper's performance varies based on the agricultural task and landscape. The system features a unique cargo platform stabilization mechanism that maintains the machine's center of mass, ensuring safe operation even on steep slopes. Based on EV48 special-purpose technology from PeK Automotive, Slopehelper delivers high traction force at a safe 48 volts onboard voltage, making operations simple, efficient, and secure. Charging times range from 3.5 to 8 hours, depending on the electrical grid and charging station. All tools are stored on specialized carriers supplied with the system. These carriers keep the tools off the ground, extending their lifespan. Attaching tools to the machine is simple and cost-effective, using standard screws that are more affordable than conventional agro-machinery attachment systems. Tools are installed using a special trolley, which transfers them from the storage carrier to the base platform. The safety system is powered by a mechanical brake that activates through bumpers located at the front and rear of the machine. This ensures safe operation, even in the event of navigation errors or electronic malfunctions. Why can't tools from other manufacturers be connected to Slopehelper? Conventional tools lack the advanced sensors necessary to provide feedback for safe and efficient operation. These tools often cannot adjust their parameters to match the system's speed. Traditional attachments lack the suspension systems designed for autonomous movement. Slopehelper's tools are equipped with unique suspensions that prevent interference with navigation during field operations. Slopehelper's tools feature a specialized mechanical design that prevents damage to crops in the event of a collision, ensuring that the machine stops safely, protecting both the plantation and the equipment. Slopehelper operates using low-cost electrical energy, avoiding the need for fossil fuels. Many conventional attachments rely on power takeoff or hydraulic systems, which would compromise the system's energy efficiency and increase operational costs. Slopehelper's electromechanical tools significantly enhance efficiency. The total length of the system, including safety systems and attachments, allows for a 6-meter rotational area during autonomous row changes. Conventional tools require an 8-meter area, making them incompatible with the system's efficient design. As a caterpillar-based machine, Slopehelper exerts low pressure on the soil in plantation passages, preserving root integrity. While rotation zones may experience more soil impact, the value lies in the machine's ability to protect the critical root zones between trees. Our innovative technology offers exceptional reliability and ease of maintenance compared to traditional tractors and agricultural tools. Backed by a robust warranty of 5 years or 8,000 hours, equivalent to 1,600 hours per year, Slopehelper supports organic production across 15 hectares with the use of biopesticides. Today, Slopehelper is bringing the future of plantation farming to life.